today we have some leftover bread that we keep putting in here to put it to good use again by either making breadcrumbs. You can make some croutons or bread pudding. But right now we're going to place them on this pan and dry them out really well, so then we can put them in our food processor. And since we're making breadcrumbs, I'm going to put the crumbs on there as well. And what's so nice about it, nothing is wasted. Let's place these in the oven. The gas oven is lit. We're going to place them inside, turn the flame way down, and just allow this bread to dry out. We flipped them, turned them around, and caught them just on time. You really need to keep an eye on them because they get dark pretty quickly, so they could be a bit lighter as well. Let's place them in our food processor. Now here we could put some dried thyme or even some parsley and some salt. But I think we're just going to leave them plain. We might add just a little bit of salt. A sprinkle of salt. Now we're going to place our top on there and we're going to pulsate. We're going to put just a little bit of olive oil. And I think we're done. Let's peek inside and check, and oh yes, this would actually be really good on a plate of pasta too. There is a type of pasta where you use breadcrumbs and even some anchovies. Sometimes my mom used to add the breadcrumbs to hamburger meat to make meatballs, and it's also wonderful. Or we could actually bread some chicken with it. And here we have our breadcrumbs, and it's a great way to put day-old bread to good use. Now, you probably need to put it into a container that you can close up, and you can either store it in your pantry in a dark place or in the refrigerator. And I am going to get a few crumbs right here and taste them. So good. We're gonna wish you un buon appetito.